Okay, so the question is asking us to multiply out this and then simplify it. Okay, so this is something we're going to have to be able to do, and this is part of doing quadratics. So at some point we're going to learn how to do the opposite as well. But to be able to do the opposite, to get into this form, we need to know how to multiply out the brackets. So I'll write it below with a bit more space. X plus 2, x plus 3. Okay, so anytime I multiply out these brackets, I imagine drawing out the following lines. First times by first, first times by last, second times by first, second times by second. Okay, so that means that every single one of these in the first bracket needs to be multiplied by everything in the second bracket. So a lot of mistakes that I see people make is they'll multiply out x times by the first one and 2 times by the second one, given x squared plus 6. But that misses out this line here and this little line here. Okay, so let's follow them. So x times by x. That means that it's like multiplying out a square where the dimensions are x times by x. Right, so that means the first one's going to be x squared. That will get you the area of a square with dimensions x and x. So that's where that comes from. Okay, second line, x times by 3. That gives us plus 3x. Third one, 2 times by x gives us plus 2x. And the last one, 2 times by 3 gives us plus 6. Okay, and the last part is saying and simplify. So what it's saying is you need to collect like terms. All right, for x squared, there's nothing else with x squared. This is an x, and this is x to the 0, or just a coefficient on its own, let's say. So this stays the same, equals x squared, and then we come across 3x and 2x. These can be collected together. And because there's a plus, that means we add the coefficients. So we add 3 plus 2, which gives us 5, and we just put plonk an x at the end, plus 5x. Lovely. And then again with the 6, there's nothing else with just numbers, so we put that here. And that is exactly what it's asking you to do. This is a simple example, but I will also go on to show you how to do a more complicated one also.